We will be doing some shopping. We will be doing some cooking. We will be doing some decorating. Of course, I got y'all with the hair tutorial. So I'm real life done. Just about done. I feel bad because I did this the last time and I didn't really tell y'all, but I'm done. I got my snacks here. Hello, boys and beauties. I am so excited.
Hey, everybody!
Because I am going to show you guys my Vlogmas intro. At the beginning of the video because of course I wanted y'all to see it at the end of the video because I didn't want to give too much away. I'm so excited, y'all. I've been excited since November. I have legit been contemplating on whether or not I was going to do Vlogmas. So I was like, you know what, let's just cut the fear, let's increase the faith, you know what I'm saying? Like, I had to dead everything, so I was like, let me go ahead and do my first Vlogmas. So boom, here we are. So this video might be a little bit shorter than all of my videos because I am going to show you guys my Vlogmas intro, which I'm so excited, I'm so happy and proud of. Like, I'm doing it big. Like, the goal is to post every day, and I'm going to do it because I am very excited about doing my first Vlogmas. I like watched so many videos on how I want it to look and what I wanted to do. So I did a quick poll on Instagram and I got a bunch of ideas. So I probably 9 times out of 10, we will be vlogging, okay? Because I have a vlogging camera and I'm so excited. We will be doing some shopping. We will be doing some cooking. We will be doing some decorating. Of course, I got y'all with the hair tutorials. I'm going to be doing some try-on hauls. Like, we doing everything. We going for it. We're gonna do some skincare. We're gonna do some body care. We're gonna do everything, mental, everything. Like, I'm so excited. I don't think y'all understand how excited I am. I was able to do my Vlogmas intro with Pop Media.
The front?
But you need to wipe it. Wipe the front. It don't look blurry to you?
No.
We out here.
What they do?
I'm hollering
To the ground. We got a speaker on here. Hey, everybody!
It's your grandma.
Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Hey, what's up? Hey,
Pop Media.
you don't have to hold
Oh,
up to me
sorry.
like that.
I thought it was a thing.
I
I just told you about it.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Pop Media, intern in the back. Show them your gear.
Yeah.
Right.
She geared down. Shooting Markela's intro to her YouTube Vlogmas.
Yes, I can't wait to talk about it. I'm gonna talk about it. I'm probably gonna vlog when I'm going where I'm going. When I talk to y'all.
Bye!
Why do you always do that peace out to the side like that?
Everybody do that.
Yeah.
I don't know. I've been doing this a lot.
Yeah.
I think it's since I got my teeth straight, now I'll be like trying to smile real big. It's like, bitch, nobody care.
I definitely gotta give a shout out to Pop Media because they made everything happen. They were real professional. They helped your girl out because what I thought in my head was not how I seen it come out. So I needed their help. So they did a bomb job. I'm going to leave their Instagram. You guys, make sure you go check them out. Make sure you guys like share the content. You know what I'm saying? Also, if you have not already, click that subscribe button. Y'all need to go ahead and click that subscribe button because guess what? Around this time last year, y'all, I had like, I don't even think I had 1,000 subscribers. We are knocking on 5,000 subscribers, y'all. That's crazy. I'm happy, okay? And it's been a long road and a long journey, and I just want to say that I am thankful and that I love you and that I am so excited. I didn't want to put my intro at the beginning of the video because of course I wanted y'all to see it at the end of the video because I didn't want to give too much away. But I worked really hard on this. Make sure y'all turn on y'all post notifications. That way you can be notified when I drop all of my videos. All my videos will be dropping at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm not gonna do y'all dirty no more with dropping it in the mornings. Probably on like Saturdays and Sundays, like when I get to those days. But make sure y'all turn them on. I'm so excited. If y'all see this video and y'all think of a good idea, y'all can either leave your thoughts or ideas down in the description box, or you can also hit me up on Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok, and I will try to do my best, you know? But I'm so excited. Like, I literally planned out just about everything. I've been getting better with my time management, y'all. Darnell been doing a good job with helping me. I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited. I'm doing a giveaway with my good sis, but I'm gonna, you know, I'm not gonna give y'all too much. I'm gonna just give y'all just enough, okay? But turn your post notifications on Instagram as well. That way you guys can stay tuned to when I actually do the giveaway, what all of the requirements are, and who's gonna do the giveaway with me. Like, nobody knows. But I'm excited. I don't really have anything else to say. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff. Like, I have recorded content that I'm going to edit. I am so excited. I really don't think that y'all understand. Like we worked hard for this. I'm so excited. Like, I've been trying to get better with shooting my behind the scenes content for when I'm shooting campaigns. Like, I'm just giving y'all more. I'm gonna try to let y'all into my life a little bit more. We're gonna be having a little bit more girl chats, you know. We're gonna be hitting on the surface. Like, are you in or are you out? Like, I'm excited. But yes, we will be doing content, like campaign content. I will be shooting behind the scenes. I will be doing a lot of engagement and activities on my Instagram. So you guys have to make sure that you know, stay in contact with me, you know? I worked real hard for this intro, on my banner, on my pictures, like everything from the not even the hashtags, from putting the outfits together to putting my grid together. Like, I made sure that I did this. I want y'all to be a part. Like, I'm so excited for Christmas. I don't know about you, but I'm super excited for Christmas. I know I did a whole lot of talking. This video is really not supposed to be that long, but make sure you guys stay tuned all the way to the end so that you guys are able to catch the premiere of my Vlogmas intro. Like, originally when I was thinking about the intro, I was like, oh, we can shoot in a store, and I'm coming out with the basket and the boxes, and it just was a lot. Like, I think the initial day that I was supposed to record, I didn't feel prepared, so I didn't even do it, because I'm not about to waste nobody's time, energy, or money, right? Because time is money. But I work with Pop Media. They helped me get the idea together. We shot this junk right at my house. All right. My little vlog camera. This is Pop Media going live.
Okay, that's your report. I love it. You're reporting for the news.
Say hey, Sloan. This is for my vlog. We vlogging. Hey, Dee Dee.
What's going on?
I know we're pressed for time. Oh, here it is.
From what store?
Sephora.
So Value.
I am
From Sephora.
Value. I'm about to send it to you. So it was very convenient. It was super easy. It didn't take long. Like, I was prepared. I was ready. And I'm just so excited for y'all to finally see. I think I am going to try to show more makeup. Like, I'm going to have to watch some tutorials because I'm not perfect. But no, we definitely tapping into the makeup. Like, I'm doing everything. Like, we doing some shopping. We doing some decorating. We doing some cooking. We doing some try-on hauls. We doing makeup. You don't have to be patient with me on the makeup, but we're gonna do makeup. Like, we doing everything. But I'm excited. That's enough for this video. Y'all make sure that y'all catch tomorrow's video. I don't really know what it's gonna be. We gonna see when it come out. Alright, so before we get into this intro, I'm so excited. I'm so excited, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share with your grandma. My grandma be watching. Hey, Nana. My mom, like, my family, like, y'all are lit, okay? Like, I'm just so excited. Like, share this with your family. Y'all don't know, I might make y'all laugh. You know? I just might show you a little decoration. I might make your mama take all of the decorations down and put up the new decoration. You never know. You know what I'm saying? So just press share. Just do it. It's okay. Like, just do it. Ain't nothing. Like, just do it. It's okay. I ain't gonna be mad at you, but it will be nice. Okay? But I do want to say thank y'all so much for supporting me. My true followers, people that like legit have been following me, giving me feedback, liking stuff, sharing stuff. Like, I am forever in your debt. I love you so much. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the intro. So I'm back and I'm done, and I got my snacks and I got my pillows from Target, but we're gonna jump into that on tomorrow, so make sure you guys stay tuned so that I can show you guys all my little decorative stuff. Okay, love you, bye.